Hi, I'm Steve from Senco, and I'm here at Toolstop.co.uk today to tell you about the Senco Duraspin DS205 14V NiCad collated screwdriver. This tool is the faster model of another Duraspin tool that we do called the DS202. The difference being this has a 4000 RPM motor, whereas the 202 has a 2300 RPM motor. So this tool is for your serious dry liner where speed is of the essence. It dries everything from a 25 up to a 50mm screw. To adjust the screw length, undo the screw there and adjust this screw guide back and forth between 25 and 50mm to the desired screw length. Here you've got something that's very crucial to a dry liner. This is your depth of drive guide. So by turning this dial, you can set the depth to which the screw is sunk quite precisely. The tool's meant for putting screws in and doing it quite quickly, but it does have reverse on it. So if you really have to back a screw out, then that's your reverse. One of the best parts of the 205, as with some of the other Duraspin tools that we do, is the bit release. With other collated screwdrivers, you often have to do complicated things at the front end just to get us to something as simple as the drive bit and change it. With this tool, just pull back on this lever here, turn the tool upside down, spin the motor, and the bit drops out. The tool comes with two NiCad batteries on an hour charge. On a 35mm screw, you can expect to be putting 800 screws in, so plenty for an hour's work. The tool also comes with a carry case and an hour charger. It dries everything from a 25 up to a 50mm screw. So that's the Senco Duraspin DS205 14V NiCad, and that's available from Toolstop.co.uk.